Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the app appears on the taskbar. This ensures you have a handle to drag. If the icon is hidden, open Start and search for the app so you know its exact name. Make sure you're using an account with permissions, otherwise Windows can block shortcut creation. Once you see the app's tile or icon, right-click it to reveal options, because the desktop shortcut action lives under these contextual controls and lets you proceed safely. Now you locate the app's executable so you can make a proper shortcut. Right-click the taskbar icon, then right-click the app name in the jump list and pick Open File Location or Properties to reveal the exe. Once you find the executable, drag it to the desktop while holding the right mouse button so Windows shows Copy Options. Choose Create Shortcut here. This produces a stable desktop link rather than a temporary pointer tied only to your task. Finish by renaming the new shortcut for clarity and double-clicking to test it. This confirms the path is correct. If Windows blocks creation, try running File Explorer as administrator or use the app's properties to create a shortcut manually. If dragging didn't work, right-click the executable, pick Send to, then Desktop, Create Shortcut. One quick troubleshooting tip. If the shortcut opens the wrong version, check Properties and correct the target path to the intended executable before saving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.